Hello and welcome to Every Bit Helps, where we simplify the complex world of cryptocurrency for you. If you're new here or to the crypto space in general, you might find some tasks a little bit daunting to begin with. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through each step. In this video, we're going to be showing you how to find your OKX wallet address for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. So you might be wondering, what's an OKX wallet address and why do I even need one? Well, you can think of your wallet address as your home in the digital currency world, and it's essential for a whole bunch of different reasons. Just like you need an address to receive mail, you're going to need your OKX wallet address to receive cryptocurrencies from friends, families, or while you're trading. It ensures that only you can access your digital assets, keeping your crypto safe and sound. Whether you're looking to deposit funds, participate in peer-to-peer trades, or join in ICOs, your wallet address is your go-to identifier for all these different activities. But here's the catch. Sending and receiving cryptocurrencies does require precision. A tiny mistake in providing your wallet address could mean that your cryptocurrencies end up somewhere they shouldn't. That's why it's crucial to know how to find and use your OKX wallet address correctly. We're going to walk you through the process step by step in this video, making it as straightforward as possible. And if you prefer reading, or if you need to revisit a step at your own pace, don't forget to check out our website, everybithelps.io, where we've got detailed step-by-step written instructions. So let's jump in and take a look. First up, I'm going to guide you through locating your OKX wallet address using the web platform. But don't worry if you prefer to use the mobile app, we're going to cover that too. And I'll include a timeline in the video description so that you can easily skip to the section that's most relevant for you. So I'm going to assume that you've already got an OKX account and that you are familiar with logging in. If not, you can check out our full tutorial, and there's also a sign up link in the summary. First, you need to head across to the OKX website. Then log into your account with your email, username and password. Once you've logged in, choose the assets icon that you'll see in the top right of the homepage. And then from the drop-down menu, choose Deposit. You'll then be taken to the deposit page, where you can select or search for the cryptocurrency that you want the wallet address for. For example, if you want to receive Bitcoin, then select Bitcoin from the list. Next, we can see a deposit network drop-down. Now this is because some cryptocurrencies can be transferred on multiple networks or blockchains. And if this is the case, you'll have the options available from the drop-down. And they'll show the estimated number of confirmations, as well as the minimum deposit amounts. In this example, I'm going to choose the Bitcoin network. And it's important that you choose the correct network and check which network you're sending your tokens on, as sending assets through the wrong network could result in a loss. Then choose Next. Now with OKX, you then state where within OKX you'd like to deposit your crypto, whether or not that be in your funding account or your trading account. Underneath, your OKX wallet address for that specific network and crypto will then be displayed on the screen. And there'll be an option to copy this directly to your clipboard. Just make sure though that you are copying it accurately. OKX also provides a QR code for your wallet address, and that can be useful if you're doing transactions through mobile devices. At the bottom, you'll then see more information in relation to your deposit, including minimum amounts. Now, if you want to find your wallet address for any other type of cryptocurrency or a stablecoin, for example, choose Deposit. And you simply search for that coin from the drop-down list. Then select the network that you're sending your crypto on, click on the Next button, and then copy or scan your associated address. So as you can see, finding your OKX wallet address is pretty straightforward. The most important thing is not to rush and to make sure you choose the right network and crypto for the token that you want to receive. We also recommend sending crypto in smaller test amounts first, especially when the network fees are low. And also always double check the copied address before you use it in any transactions. Ensure that it matches the one displayed on OKX to avoid making any mistakes. Next, let's take a look at how to find your wallet address on the OKX app. First, we're going to start by opening the OKX app on your smartphone. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials to access your account. Once you've logged in, tap the Deposit button, which is available from the OKX tab at the bottom of the screen, Alternatively, you'll also find an option to deposit from the Assets tab. If you're presented with options, choose Deposit Crypto, and a list of all cryptocurrencies that you can deposit into OKX will then appear. So you'll need to select or search for the one that you want to find the wallet address for. For example, if you want to receive Bitcoin, choose Bitcoin from the list. And you'll then be prompted to select the network that you're sending your crypto on. For those not watching earlier, some cryptocurrencies can be transferred on multiple networks or blockchains. And if this is the case, you will have the options available from the drop-down. It's important to choose the correct network and check which network you're selling your tokens on, as sending assets through the wrong network can result in a loss. And your OKX wallet address for that specific crypto and network will then be displayed on screen, with a copy button or icon next to the address. Tap onto it to copy the address to your clipboard. OKX also provides a QR code for your wallet address, which can be useful if you're using a mobile device. And underneath that, you can change the network if you've made a mistake, and choose where within OKX you'd like to deposit your funds, whether that be in your funding or your trading account. And there's also some transaction information, including minimum deposit amounts and how many confirmations it's going to take. Plus, you have the option here to share the deposit address. Again, please just make sure that you double the address after you copy it, especially if you're entering it in manually anywhere. A single mistake can divert your funds to the wrong address and you can lose your crypto. If you come across any issues with finding your wallet address, this could be due to your verification levels with OKX, especially if you are brand new, or it could mean that that specific crypto or network is not supported by OKX. But that completes how to find your OKX wallet address. And I hope you enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to our website at everybethelps.io for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.